This is a faucet. The faucet has water. Turn on the faucet to get water. This is Jenny's toothbrush. This is Jenny's toothpaste. Jenny puts toothpaste on the toothbrush. Jenny uses a toothbrush to clean her teeth. Jenny runs water over the toothbrush. Jenny runs water over her toothbrush before brushing. Jenny needs to run water over the brush to make it wet. Squeeze the tube. Jenny squeezes toothpaste. Jenny squeeze a little toothpaste onto her toothbrush. Jenny brushes her teeth. Jenny moves the brush. Jenny moves her toothbrush up and down. Jenny moves the brush back and forth on her teeth. This is water in a glass. Jenny takes some water to rinse. Jenny rinses her mouth after brushing. Jenny rinses her mouth with water. Jenny spits the water. Jenny spits the water into the sink. After rinsing, Jenny spits the water out carefully. Rinse off the toothbrush. Jenny rinses off her toothbrush with water. It is a bathroom rack. Jenny puts back her toothbrush. Jenny puts her toothbrush in the rack. After rinsing, Jenny puts her toothbrush back in its place. This is floss. Jenny pulls out the floss. Jenny pulls out a long piece of floss. Jenny pulls out a piece of floss from the container. This is a tooth. These are Jenny's teeth. Floss helps clean between Jenny's teeth. Jenny slips the floss between her teeth. Jenny carefully slips the floss. Jenny gently slips the floss between each of her teeth. Jenny's teeth are now clean and fresh.